Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to read and understand the poem The Robin Makes a Laughing Sound. So let's start. Here we are seeing a bird named Robin. Robin is a little bird with red chest, and here this is a child. So in this poem the child sees Robin and he stops hearing his laughing sound. So let's read the poem. The robin makes a laughing sound. It makes me stop and look around to see just what the robin sees, fresh new leaves on twigs of trees. In these lines the child says, the robin makes a laughing sound and it makes him stop and look around. When he hears the sound of robin, he stops and looks around. He wants to see what the robin is seeing and why he is laughing. So he looks around to see what the robin sees. Then he sees fresh new leaves on twigs of trees. Twigs means thin small branches of a tree. Means after it the child sees fresh new leaves on twigs of trees, a strong high branch on which to rest, a safe dry ledge to hold its nest. The robin makes a laughing sound. I stop, I always look around. The child sees fresh new leaves on twigs of trees, strong high branch on which to rest. On which to rest means on which the robin rests. He sees a strong high branch on which robin rests, a safe dry ledge to hold its nest. A safe dry ledge. Ledge means a narrow surface on the side of a wall or window on which the robin makes its nest. So the child sees the safe ledge on which robin makes its nest. The robin makes a laughing sound, and seeing all these things, robin is making laughing sound, and when robin is making laughing sounds, the child also looks around, and in this way he learns to look at the beauty of nature. It means by making laughing sounds, the robin makes the child learn to look at the beauty of nature. So by seeing the leaves, branches and all the things around him, the child learns to enjoy the beauty of the nature. He listens the laughing sound of robin and he wants to see what the robin is seeing and why he is laughing. Thank you.